Hi friends, as we know that we had already read the Excel file, how the Excel is available in our root environment, and from there we can read the file. Now what we will do, we will try to understand how after reading the Excel file can manipulation done. Right. So first thing you can see here a panda. So Panda is the library. You are importing the Panda, which is used for the reading data set. Right. Once we will import the data, after that we can use the Panda library to reading the data, cleaning the data, and analyzing the data. Working as the data table. Right. So PD dot read CSV is the way we can read the Excel and put it in our that variable is known as data variable, right? We can load it in data, whatever the CSV data is there, we can read it and store there. Now after that we can start manipulation on that one, right? This is important that to know what is the numpy we can also use. You can see numpy, import numpy. So NumPy used for the mathematical operation like arrays, numerical computations, and NP is as Ilya's name. We can say short name, right? So this is the NumPy. After that, we are using the matplotlib. You can say. So this is the also a library which is used for the chart like line chart, bar chart, ठीक है, histogram or pie chart. Now, if we want to chart, then we can use that uh, data dot plot, data dot show, right? Now, let's come to point line number 4. Here we are saying data is pg dot read csv. This is I already told you to load the data, right? So what exactly CSV means? CSV is mainly and full form is the comma separated value, right? Now we are coming to next point, that is the mean, right? So mean is once we load the data, after that all the means we are manipulating the data with column this one. This is the amount column. We are getting the mean of that one, right? And once we will mean, after that we will print. Here what we are doing, we are sorting basis of the amount column, right? So let's run and see. Now you can see that this once the load CSV is loaded, after that what we are printing the head means printing the all the columns. Here we are getting the printed value, right? And here let me show you from the Excel. You can see in the Excel file it's showing start first values, right? This is something 45, 46, 47, 45, 46, 47, 48 like this. Yes. After that, we are using the mean of the amount. What is the mean of amount? Means this is our column amount, and what we will do mean means sum of this all the rows and divide by number of. So once we will sum this one, it will come like here. You can see I already write the value. Sum even to e. Some value will be this one. And here I take the average. You can see some value divided by, we have 100 records, so I divided by 100. So what it will come? It will come 394.5. So here you can see, so here you can see a mean value, right? This is the line 7 value. We are printing on line 8. After that, on line number 9, what we are doing, we are sorting the value basis of the amount and ascending false means it will come in descending form. So max value will be record come first, after that another, then another one. So 444, 443, 442, 441 like this. Yes. So all record is coming from the last one. Basis of descending value means highest value will come first, then second, then third, second high, first highest, second highest, third highest, like this in descending format, because we write ascending false means it will come in format of the descending, right? I hope all the points I try to explain you, and still if you have any doubt, you can ask to me, send me comment, I will reply on the same. And if you have any doubt related to how import NumPy, how import pandas, how install, then you can message me. I will reply on the same, and I will explain how we will download this one, right? But first of all, you need to download the VS Code. After that, when you want to import this one, you need to run a command. Once a command will execute, you can able to import pandas, NumPy, right? M- Matplotlib as well. But for all these three, need to install it. After that, you can import. I hope everything is very crystal clear. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me. I will reply. Thank you.